Hi, I'm Matt Harrington, Field Service Representative for EFCO. Have you ever had a pour where your trucks were coming too quickly? It can be very hard, nearly impossible, to turn away a fully loaded truck. However, this temptation to keep filling up the forms can lead to a lot of problems. In this video, we'll review a simple method for calculating the timing between trucks in order to control your calculated pour rate. The following is the information needed to gather for this method. You'll need the total amount of concrete in your pour. You should already have this information since this is how much concrete you'll be ordering. You need to know the height of the wall. Again, information you should already have. You'll need to know how many yards are in each truck, typically 9 or 10. Lastly, you'll need to determine the pour rate based on the ACI equations. Please review our video about the set rate chart, which describes how to calculate this number. EFCO provides pour rate charts specific to your job in our erection drawings. You'll need to know the temperature of the concrete, the chemistry of the concrete, and the allowable pour pressure of the formwork you are using. Once you have the total yardage, height of wall, and pour rate, you'll follow this simple formula. Cubic yards times pour rate divided by height divided by cubic yards per truck. Let's go through a quick example. With a total volume of 105 cubic yards, you've calculated your pour rate to be 6 feet per hour. The wall is 22 feet tall. Your batch plant uses 10 cubic yard trucks. 105 cubic yards times 6 feet per hour equals 630. Then divide this number by the height of the wall, 22 foot, which equals 28.6. Then finally divide this number by 10 cubic yard trucks, which equals 2.9 or 3 trucks per hour. To determine the minutes between trucks, divide 60 minutes by 3 trucks per hour, which equals 20 minutes between each truck. This is the number you should tell your batch plant. Trucks arriving any faster than 20-minute intervals will lead to higher pour rates, which can result in exceeding the allowable pour pressures, causing damages. We hope you find this quick method for staging concrete trucks to be very helpful. Please reach out to your local EFCO sales representatives, engineer, or field service if you have any questions.